Ireland's first burger pie. You want to get on this. Granby cheeseburger pie. This one is superb. You cook off the burgers, chill them down. I'm going to put mine in a griddle, but if you've got a George Foreman or something like that, you can throw it on that as well, or you can fry them up. Got some onions, you chill those down after you fried them up, and then mix it up with a bit of cheese and put it into the short crust pastry. This is delicious. You're going to love this one. All we want in this is a bit of colour where the flavour comes with the burger, but we don't want it cooked all the way through because we're going to be finishing that in the pie. Right, now this is simple to put together, but remember, chill the onions, chill the burger. Yeah, so. A little bit of ketchup and mustard. And then we get the top part, put it down on top, that tower of burger. We're going to leave a skirt on it. We're going to come out here, and then you can save this bit of pastry, wrap it back up, and you can use this again. Get a fork. We make a little hole at the top just to let out any steam. And to give it a lovely golden finish, we're going to brush it with some beaten egg. In fact, this idea came to me when we had some leftover burgers in the fridge and had a bit of short crust pastry. So if you've got any leftover burgers, say after a big barbecue, don't just throw them into a sandwich. Get a bit of pastry, make yourself a dirty pie. Right, into the oven, 180 degrees. This should take about 35 to 40 minutes to go, lovely and crisp. Wait for this. Okay, so here is the filth. Oh yeah, this is a knife and fork job.